guys, it's your girl Monae'KeKe Designs. Welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another new video. Hey fam, and welcome back to today's video. Today's video is called Sip and Create. So in this video, I'm going to be sipping while I create art. So I'm showing you a recap of what you already seen before, previously in my other videos and shorts. So I'm just filling in her hair with a black marker and paint. This is how it all started. So I'm showing y'all the beginning of how I created this art painting till the end. So I hope you enjoy and stay tuned to the end of the video. So guys, in this clip, I'm just showing you a recap of me and the detail outlined in black of the art painting. So that's what I'm doing in here for those who haven't seen this video or the previous videos. I'm just recapping of what I've already showed you guys on my shorts. This clip was a part of my shorts video. You can go back and look at that after this video. So I'm just adding detail on the leaf. As you can see, everything's coming out so nice and good. I'm so proud of myself. Hey fam, this is a recap clip from the YouTube shorts behind the scenes of me adding some rhinestone embellishments to her strap part of her dress. These rhinestones that I'm going to be using came from Walgreens. These are some sticker back rhinestones. They come like in 5 or 6, 7 different colors. I'm also using this all-purpose multi-cement glue that I got from Dollar Tree. I'm also going to be using another all-purpose glue from Dollar Tree for extra strong hold. So this is me showing you guys a little clip of me removing the remaining excess of the gold metallic foil sheet from the 3D arm cuff jewelry design I created. You will see how it looks in the next clip. Okay, so this is me about to use my Paris Hilton brand new color glamorous eyeshadow kit. As you can see, I'm about to apply a little bit of this gold color shimmer eyeshadow to this eyebrow area where her eyeshadow is going to be, to see will it pick up. As you can see, you barely can see it. So I'm going to try a different method using glue. So I apply the white glue off camera to the crease part of her eye and eyeshadow area. And I'm going to try again and dab some gold shimmer glitter to do her eyeshadow area again, as you're about to see me do. So this is the gold shimmer eyeshadow that I'm going to reapply to her eye area. So all I'm doing right now here is dabbing a little bit at a time in the corner crease eye area on top of her eyelids, right where the white glue is located, so that it can adhere and stick to the art painting. As you can see here, I'm just dabbing lightly on the glue, and I'm going to be removing the remaining excess glitter with the other end of the makeup brush off the eyebrow and face area. And I'm going to do a repeat, and I'm going to do and repeat the same thing on the other side of the eye. This is a close-up of me showing you how it looks. It actually looks much better. I love it. I'm giving her a glamorous, dramatic effect kind of look because she is a princess and a queen of her island. And I'm loving how it's coming together. I'm going to add a few more details to her look on the next video after this video, and a few more stuff to the art painting, and I will show you guys the final look. This painting is almost quite finished, so stay tuned, enjoy the video. I'm trying not to talk too much into the video, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video so far, and I want to let you guys know I appreciate you guys for taking the time out to stop by my channel to watch my video. Leave me a comment, like, share, and showing love and support. I really appreciate you all for the love and support you show on this channel. God bless you guys. So this is how she looks so far. Ain't she pretty and gorgeous? Stay tuned to the next video. I'm going to add some more embellishments on her. So stay tuned for that. Her this art painting is almost finished, but not quite yet. And there she is, all glammed up. The glamorous Flossy Flossy. So guys, that's it for now. Stay tuned and thanks for watching. Hey guys, okay, if you like this type of content, please give me a like, share, and put a thumbs up, and comment down below, and like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I appreciate it so much. Thank you guys. Thank you guys so much. Till next time. Bye.